Do you like chicken?
Yeah. Wanna
Your mom's calling you. Go on. So is it an exact measurement, or you just get a basic feeling of where you want the water level to be? Simple. You don't need to measure.
No measure nothing. No way, Ratty. Give me that thing, man. Put it down, man. Put it on my part. What?
Come boy.
I mess up my beads in the run and home, brethren.
Come.
Yo!
Oi.
Give me it, man. Give me the part. Now put it in there, you know. Give me.
Come, Ratty. Hear that boy there?
We're not having herring. We're having chicken. Is this a special kind of rice, Mokko?
Yeah, white rice. White rice. White rice dish. Yo!
Do they grow rice in Jamaica at all? They do?
They do.
Oh.
Rice are the easiest thing to plant.
I guess you get a lot of rain here.
Yeah. And when you plant it on sun hot land, it's really sweet. It's really sweet, you know.
Yeah.
And the swamp one, it's not sweet like the one that will grow like out there. Water one that's not dry swamp. Yeah, and the grain them bigger. So this rice, it can be dry land.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like very fine.
Yeah, dry land rice this. It's not natural rice, dry land. And you see two different rice, you know. You can't see them, you know, I know them, you know. Have fine rice, fine grain, white rice, white.
Yeah.
Come here. Yeah, boy, baby. A friend thing. What's your name? Must sleep.
Oh, ne?
Friend thing, them here.
So the pot doesn't have to be boiling yet. You can just
Oh.
so you just measure it by hand. And how do you know the rice is done, Mokko? You wait till it's a boil and then it's basically ready?
And not too long, you know, man.
Behave yourself.
So I put the name in and stir it, man. That's it, not catch your bottom. And allow it make it cook. You can check the over them now from me put it in, you understand? When you see it come off, and you can know that you take the over there, you know? Yeah, when you put it on there, you know? Yeah, no, me just left it like that.
I feel like I'm getting bitten by ants.
Can you get that one there too?
I'm stepping in an anthill. That would explain it. Yeah, that spot.
Then cover, then we wait to boil up and all them way. Then we ready to boil up. And after boil, we leave it, make it dry down. We're gonna put some oil in it. Some cooking coconut oil. Get it nice. Huh?
Did anyone teach you how to do this one?
This?
Yeah.
No. No, so I always cook with my mother, you know.
Yeah.
That's my mother. Give me all of these recipes. You used to sell fish, you know.
Yeah.
We eat a lot of fish, man. That's why we know nothing about fish. When you go to church, we cook. And that's it. That's why we know about all the type of recipe, you know. We don't go to school to get recipe. We grew up with this. Like, we mother teach you from one something. We can wash clothes, you know. We can press clothes, you know. That's if the woman don't feel good, you know. We do all the washing. So all of those things, we grew up and do press, we wash, we cook, we clean. Straight up. Yeah.
And we eat.
And we eat. Yes.
Papa. I Papa. Papa. Tell my, see my, tell my, see my, tell my, see my. Lasciate Santiago, lasciate Santiago.